In 1908, a mysterious explosion flattened over 800 square miles of forest near the Tunguska River in Siberia. Witnesses described a blinding fireball streaking across the sky, followed by a shock wave that knocked people down miles away. Despite the scale of destruction, no human lives were lost due to the area's remoteness. For decades, the cause was debated, ranging from alien theories to a meteorite impact. Today, scientists believe it was the airburst of a comet or asteroid that exploded before hitting the ground, making it one of the largest impact-related events in history. The Tunguska Event continues to intrigue scientists and conspiracy theorists alike.